she is. Anders, the co-writer and producer, is sitting beside her.
I did my research on you too, obviously, and I found out that you love cake. And I know that you love baking cake back home in your kitchen in London.
Sometimes.
Lisa doesn't eat much cake.
But I also know that your favorite cake is not one of your own cakes. It is the Curly Wurly cake from your local baker in the Borough Market, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, because I want you to feel as comfortable and calm as possible here tonight. I went for a little trip to London and got the Curly Wurly cake for you. So here you go, my dear.
Molly's face
is
really what we're all thinking.
amazing. I tasted it.
Did you?
So Molly,
It's ridiculous.
Yes, Molly, it is ridiculous.
And I just want to say, I know that your mom and dad, Jen and Dave, and your brother Sam, who are here with you tonight, would love to share this with you.
They're not getting any. This is all for me.
Really? Oh, just one piece of advice though. Do save a little slice for good old grandmother Joan back in the UK.
Yeah, I'll save her a bit. No one else is getting it.
Yeah, she's 91 years old
92,
and still driving a car.
Yeah,
That's
she's
quite
amazing.
impressive. She is amazing.
Lisa's like one of those Danish detectives.
Nice talking to you, Molly.
She knows everything.
All right. It's